Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to find a command. So what do I mean by that? So remember, we've used command like file, and then if we specify the file, so if I type in ls, what files have we got here? So if I do file examples dot desktop, I click tab and that auto completes. Click enter, it provides some information about this. This right here is a command, and obviously a command has to have some code or some logic behind it to initiate the set of instructions to fulfill this task. To find where that sort of command is stored on the computer, type in which the command that you want to check for, so file, and it's stored in USR bin file. So let's check that out. So new window, and so we can go there by going to other locations, going to your computer, USR bin file. So there should be a file here called file. I'm getting close. There we go. And we can open it up. If this doesn't appear, probably won't, for you go open with other application, view our application, and select some sort of text editor. You can just use Notepad. I'm using Sublime. That's my favorite text editor. It's at the top. There we go. So as you can see, it is in hexadecimal form. So unless you know what you're doing, don't be changing stuff. Yeah, but it's just a cool way of seeing where all the commands are. You can also check, this is pretty crazy, where the which command is, because which is technically a command, and it is in that same folder. Not all the commands are going to be in that folder. They could be in different locations, but that's, it depends on the actual command itself. Simple stuff. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.